new list of OBC categories.
It doesn't want OBC.
Yes, my lord. He is claiming
It does for
EWS.
EWS.
Yes.
Ah.
EWS. He is claiming
You want OBC also?
No,
economic
provision is
section.
provision is
For
if
for
my
general
name is-
category, he has to apply on
appearing
the
under the central OBC,
Yes.
I cannot apply it for EWS category.
You cannot. If
If
you
my-
want central, you cannot apply for the state.
If my name is appearing in the central list of OBC,
Yes.
then I cannot apply for EWS certificate.
All right.
I have not applied for OBC certificate. I have applied for EWS certificate only.
In the state.
In the state as well as central. Central I have received yesterday.
You are
The
waiting
same
for the
authority-
state.
Yes. If the format is different, when if you look to the circular,
The
Do you-
difficulty is that his
By the
subclass,
same inquiry.
Khandakar subclass is appearing in the state list as OBC
all
category.
these are subsequent
It's absolutely
and participate in the NEET qualified blood. Now I have to participate in the counseling process. I have applied for EWS certificate. But only yesterday I have got the certificate in D format, which is for central.
For
if I
central.
apply under any central
Quota.
schools, and
Yes.
then I have to apply under D.
Yes.
But D I have received yesterday.
Right.
C
So
I am
you are
yet to
waiting
receive.
for C,
Yes.
the state.
he applied on 8th of April 2025.
Mhm.
It went to the ADM level only on 4th June 2025. by
April
that
to
time-
June, what were you
Yes,
doing?
but by that time, what happened on 27th May, state government have published the new list of OBC categories.
It doesn't want OBC.
Yes, my lord. He is claiming
It does for
EWS.
EWOBS.
EWS.
Yes,
Ah.
OBC EWS. He is claiming
You want OBC also?
No,
economic
provision is
section.
provision is
For
if
for
my
general
name is-
category, he has to apply on
appearing under the central OBC, I
Yes.
cannot apply it for EWS category.
You cannot.
I cannot.
If you
my-
want central, you cannot apply for the state.
If my name is appearing in the central list of OBC,
Yes.
then I cannot apply for EWS certificate.
All right.
I have not applied for OBC certificate. I have applied for EWS certificate only.
In the state.
In the state as well as central. Central I have received yesterday.
You are
The
waiting
same
for the
authority-
state.
Yes. If the format is different, when if you look to the circular,
The
Do you-
difficulty is that his
By the
subclass,
same inquiry.
Khandakar subclass is appearing in the state list as OBC
all
category.
these are subsequent.
It's absolutely online process. We cannot process it until and unless it is published as a general category candidate as subclass. We cannot process it because our list has been stayed by the this honorable court, and the issue is pending before the Supreme Court. Unless it is decided whether he is OBC or general, but we cannot process his application.
There cannot be any quarrel, lad. I have
I'll see.
already
This is the
obtained certificate in D format.
If you can proceed with the D, then proceed with the D. Why are you waiting for the C?
C now. Now, lad, the difficulty is what he is
Why
saying.
you'll
what-
not get chance in the central college?
Yes, I can also apply for state also. But what he's saying now, there was a list published by the backward class department recently, in the last month, lad, which was again challenged in a writ petition. That notification has been stayed.
Whatever. There is some
Has nothing
difficulty
to
on
do
the
with
part
my
of
matter.
the.
Has nothing. Well, can you see what is the
No, nothing to do. The court has to decide. The difficulty on the part of the state has been disclosed. If it is to be heard, then it is to be heard. And if you are okay with the D, then you can proceed with the D.
No, can you see? I have annexed the notification.
Maybe then it has to be heard.
No, it's not required because the inquiry is the same authority. Inquiry has done. On the basis of same inquiry, he has to issue certificate.
No. His submission, I have not gone through the instruction, but what his submission is that they cannot
This is his own
process.
It is his own circular. Can you-
They cannot process the application.
It's not correct. Clause 9.
I have annexed in the clause 9.
Issuance of EW certificate for those OBCs who are included in the state list. You claim OBC status also.
No, I'm not claiming.
But then clause 9 is EWS
Clause
for
9
those
is
OBC.
If a person belong to, not claiming, belong to OBC and B category in the state OBC list of West Bengal, but not in the central OBC list of the state, he can apply. So, question
He
of
can apply. Kindly continue. Let him continue the entire paragraph.
recruitment in civil post and services and admission in educational institution under government of India to avail EWS reservation subject to fulfillment of other conditions. Such persons are eligible to obtain EWS certificate in D format. Person already possesses EWS certificate in C in Annex C format by the competent authority also have to apply for EWS certificate in D format while seeking reservation under the same
You've
level.
already got it in D format. Then why
Yes,
do you want
but
it?
I want in C format. That's
For
my point.
C format, what is to
There
be
is
done?
no impediment in C format.
Show what is to be done for obtaining it
But
in
the
C.
same inquiry.
No,
But I have
inquiry, inquiry. You show me how it can be got in the C
That I
format.
have annexed in my petition at page 23.
23.
This is the circular issued by the authority. And let inquiry at page 26, clause 10.
See page 23, the first portion reads serial number 1.
Yes.
It,
In order to enable economically
it only deals with EWS, not covered under the reservation.
Right.
Not covered.
Right. I am not covered.
Yes, he's covered. List published of or state government list published the list. He's under OBC B category.
That has been stayed.
That have annexed.
And that is subsequent. He is saying because of this list, I cannot. The list was published.
He does not want the benefit of the caste reservation.
Not even
He wants only the
Our portal, the list is showing.
It is technical.
We cannot process his application unless the list is altered. If the list ultimately survives.
Suppose somebody does not want to take the benefit of reservation, you will force him to take it. What is it? The petitioner says he doesn't want the benefit of reservation. You cannot be so mechanical.
To take instruction to that effect, whether it is possible or not. Kindly grant me.
And have to make it possible. Petitioner doesn't want reservation.
In this case, he is not want to take any reservations.
Yes.
Subsequently, he may claim further in
that is subsequent thing.
And this is for one.
What date he says he doesn't want the reservation, but he wants only
Kindly
the
grant me 1 day time.
EWS certificate.
Kindly grant me 1 day time.
Please come.
Madam,
I appear on behalf of NTA. That's investigation. I know the telephone to
35.
Yes.
Point 2. Here, ask general. Then applicant is to appear for hearing at the concerned video SDO DW Calcutta office on 2nd or 4th Wednesday of any month within 60 days from 12 noon and 3 p.m. after online submission. He has not. There's no argument in the petition that he has.
That I have received from the sector.
Yeah.
He was to appear.
No, possibly he has appeared because he has got it. Maybe, but he has got it, which implies that he has appeared. He has got the certificate.
I have got the certificate. Yes, sir.
He has already got the certificate. Without the approach, the certificate could not have been issued.
But if the online application was made,
You are for the testing agency, so you do not raise this issue. Whoever is the authority, let the authority raise such issue. And after the petitioner has got it, you cannot say that he did not approach. So, the petitioner prays for issuance of the EWS certificate. Stop. In the application made before the state authority for obtaining such certificate, the petitioner has clearly disclosed that he belongs to the general caste. Stop. Specific submission of the petitioner is that he does not want the benefit of caste reservation. Stop paragraph. The EWS certificate in D format has already been issued in favor of the petitioner by the central authority. Stop. The certificate in C format from the state is certificate in C format from the state authority.
That certificate not issued by the central. That we issued by
pending.
Issued by the state, madam.
Not the central.
By the state in D format. In D format, central na D format has been issued. The petition, the C format is awaiting. What is the difference between this D and C?
D is for the central admission and C is
for central admission.
Same inquiry, same report. That's why I was submitting.
What is this?
Our portal is not permitting.
Then how can the D be given?
That is on the D format. But for the central only. For the state, since we have published the list Khandekar as a OBC B category, if he claims for the state, That
You will force him to obtain the reservation.
our system is
You have got a
correct.
faulty
That's the
system. Please change it. Please change the faulty system. You cannot force somebody to accept the reservation if the person concerned doesn't want it. Do you get it?
My lord, my lord, kindly grant me 1 day time, my lord, whether it is possible.
Yes.
How it is possible,
Well,
my
that's
lord.
when I have made prayer A.
What is prayer A?
Well, there are a large number of candidates who are waiting.
Large number of?
Candidates who are waiting for this NEET.
Learned advocate representing the state respondents submits that as the surname of the petitioner is incorporated in the list of OBC candidates, as such, his application cannot be processed for issuance of the EWS certificate in the C format.
Yes, my lord.
Paragraph. The court is of the opinion that the authority cannot forcefully direct a candidate to accept the benefit of reservation. Benefit of caste reservation. Stop. The petitioner has himself disclosed that he belongs to the general caste and he do not intend to obtain the benefit of reservation. Stop. He only intends to have the economically weaker section certificate. Stop. To allow the learned advocate for the state respondents to take instruction in the matter. Release the same on 1st of July.
Well, there is an application, lad.
Yes.
There are other candidates who are
Hey,
waiting, lad.
instruction-টাকে লিখে দেবেন তো।
There are other candidates who also had applied for certificate, lad. They have intervened, lad. Let them take instruction. These are poor people.
Did you serve copy?
Approach. Oh, in email they have served, but now I'm
Give a hard copy since he's appearing. When did you file it?
not yesterday. Possibly it is in the list.
Is it in the
Listening.
list?
Oh, not in the list, madam.
It is in the list. Can 1 is there in the list. Can কোথায় একটু দেখি? Can 1 কালকে এসছে can 1. An application for being added as party respondent, not respondent, as party petitioners in the instant writ petition has been filed by similarly circumstanced candidates as that of the petitioner. File আসেনি? Canটা আনিয়ে নিন. Stop. And none of the applicants seek with the benefit of reservation.
No, because as of now they are not in that category.
You are sure?
Yes.
Stop. None of the applicants seek the benefit of caste reservation, but all intends to obtain the EWS certificate. Stop. In that case, I'll adjourn it for some more days so that he can take instruction, because he took instruction only with regard to 1. Thursday? Next Thursday? Yes, can will be served.
Please.
To NTA also. You got it? Released on 3rd of July. And has the D certificate been issued to the applicants also? No.
That I have to ascertain, madam.
Take instruction. Yeah.